In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play The Sims 4 on PlayStation 5. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how you can download The Sims 4 on a PlayStation 5. This will also work for the PlayStation 4, so regardless of the PlayStation console that you have, you will be able to acquire and play the game for free. The base game is going to be available right away, but if you want add-ons, you will have to purchase them. So you can either visit the official website and then click download now, select platform and choose PlayStation, or what I recommend instead is that you follow along directly on the PlayStation Store on your console. I'm going to use the website and you can do as well, but doing it through the actual console's store is better. So in the store, just go over to the search function, so the little magnifying glass icon, and then look for The Sims 4. When you look for the game, it should be the top result. So you choose it here, and you will be able to play it. So it is available right here. If you go through the website, it is going to redirect you into the store as well. So once you find the game, you will be able to add to your library to play. You have the additions here. So the base one, like I said, is free. And then if you want more content, you will have to purchase the add-ons as needed. So you can see some add-ons here. If you have EA Play, there is going to be a little bit of a discount, but to keep it simple, just go over to the PlayStation Store and you will be able to find The Sims 4 and download the game. It should load up fine on your PlayStation 5, even though it says only available for PlayStation 4. It seems like this wasn't updated, so just keep that in mind. And you will be able to download the game on either of those consoles to play right away. You can either go to the official website, as I've mentioned earlier, and this will redirect you into the page, or visit it here. The base game is going to be free. You can browse through videos, screenshots, and then if you scroll down, you can find all of the add-ons available for purchase. I hope I was able to help you on how to play The Sims 4 on PlayStation 5. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.